everyone, I'm Christopher Joyce and welcome back to our FAQs and our channel. And today, I'm the director of the soap dispenser. Are you tired of messy soap dispensers that spill and slip and just don't work the way that you want them to? Well, we have the solution for you. Introducing Soap Daddy. Soap Daddy is Scrub Daddy's dual-action soap dispenser. But before we get into the nitty-gritty about Soap Daddy, make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so that you're the first to know about a new video on the channel. Without further ado, let's open the Soap Daddy and break it down. So Soap Daddy is the game-changing kitchen companion you've been waiting for. It's the ultimate soap dispenser that gives you two ways to suzz up your sponge, your pots, your pans, and even your hands with ease. Soap Daddy comes ready to use out of the box, no assembly required, except for the addition of your favorite dish soap. And now you're ready to do the dishes and the scrubbing. Starting at the top of the Soap Daddy, the design allows you to tap the top with your Scrub Daddy sponge of choice and get the perfect amount of soap every time. Heading to the bottom of the Soap Daddy, if you're needing a little more control of your cleaning, simply squeeze the sides to dispense the soap from the bottom and start scrubbing. It's that easy. Soap Daddy is ideal for doing the heavy-duty pots and pans that always seem to be a little tricky to clean or need some soaking time. Just press or squeeze, and you're good to go. So you can put soap wherever you need it. Here, there, and everywhere. I mean everywhere.
Okay.
And check this out. The translucent design lets you show off your favorite color of soap. So now you can match your mood, your kitchen decor, or just have a little fun with it. Pick a color that makes you happy, because remember, we're all about cleaning with a smile here at Scrub Daddy. Now we went with blue because it's what we use here at Scrub Daddy. But we want you to comment below about what your favorite color soap is. Plus, aren't you tired of your other soap dispensers slipping and sliding all over your kitchen surfaces and countertops, making a mess and having to waste precious liquid soap? But don't worry about Soap Daddy sliding around your countertop. Thanks to its rubber bottom, it stays put. No matter how much you press or squeeze, unless you really want to have some fun and knock it over. But now we're going to show you exactly how to fill the Soap Daddy. Just twist off the top, pour in your favorite liquid soap, and you're all set to scrub away your messes and kitchen grime. Important to note, after every refill, be sure to prime the valve by giving the sides one quick squeeze, and this will create a seal needed to avoid leaks. Now you're ready to tackle those dishes like a pro. And with Soap Daddy, cleaning has never been this easy or this fun. Why settle for a boring, leaky soap dispenser, right? When you can have Soap Daddy. Get yours today and make your kitchen sink area a whole lot more colorful and convenient. Now, it's your turn. In the comments below, let us know if you have other creative uses with Soap Daddy and how much of a difference it makes compared to regular, boring soap dispensers. Also, if you have any further questions about Soap Daddy or any other Scrub Daddy products, feel free to drop a comment below and we'll do our best to answer your questions. So today, as your director of the dispenser, remember to tap the top and squeeze the sides. Well, that's all for now. I'm Christopher Joyce, and always saying, clean with a smile. Did somebody for these?